Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to feature a new addition to my designer handbag collection, something that I have been patiently waiting for months. It took forever to get it, but now she's here. I also wanted to feature a few beautiful pieces that I've gotten from LilySilk. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything here on my channel. So I decided to order a few things from LilySilk. I have in the past, such as silk pillowcases. You guys know it is one of my first and greatest tips for taking care of your hair and your skin. Silk pillowcases are lovely. They don't suck all the moisture out of your hair. They are really easy and gentle on your skin so that you can look amazing for as long as possible. LilySilk offers pillowcases, pajamas, silk shirts, dresses, you name it. You should check out the website. They're also environmentally conscious. All of the silk that they use is sourced from mulberry trees, which require less water for processing. They also use really high quality Mongolian cashmere. That is one of my favorites. I am wearing this beautiful wine-colored Mongolian cashmere turtleneck that is soft and lovely. It's perfect for fall. So another thing that I love about LilySilk is if you order online, it only takes about a week to get it, which is awesome. I hate ordering stuff and it takes forever.
Side-eye Louis Vuitton.
And yeah, you'll be really, really happy with the quality of everything. Let me show you this turtleneck. Sorry, I thought I would take a load off and actually sit in this chair. Anyways, here is the beautiful Mongolian cashmere turtleneck that I'm wearing. Just a closer look. I love the fit. You can wear it as an actual turtleneck, like flip this over, or style it up. Just do a little scrunch neck. This is what I've just chosen to do right now. There's a beautiful ribbing at the sleeves, and I decided to take a size small because I just felt I wanted something close to the body and a little snuggly. So I got a few other items from LilySilk as well. I got this beautiful navy blue silk blouse with pearl buttons. The quality is lovely. So again, this is mulberry silk. It's thick and rich, and the navy has such a depth that looks so rich and gorgeous. I also got a couple of king-size pillowcases. They are lovely. I adore this color, super soft and easy on the skin. And they've got a zipper closure, which is just lovely quality for pillowcases. There you go. Adore this. They're all like machine washable as well, so easy peasy to take care of. Okay, the Louis Vuitton Bum Bag. So I've wanted this bag forever now. I see it, all over Instagram, or, a couple of my friends got it and it just looked incredible on them. And I just thought it would be a really versatile bag, which it is. So I love the size of it. It's pretty, so just to give you a better angle there. It's got a back pocket there. I love the size of it. It's pretty substantial, so you can carry a lot. The dimensions, I'm just gonna check the website here. It is 14.6 inches by 5.5 inches by 5.1 inches. And, I can get away with carrying my phone, my wallet, lipstick, doggy poo bags, you name it. I have used it for everything. It has proven to be a pretty worthy buy. Louis Vuitton's prices have skyrocketed. This bag is now $2,390 Canadian. I believe I got it for $2,200. I was on a waiting list for 5 or 6 months for this bag. It absolutely took forever. I feel it's worth it. I wanted it for a really, really long time, and I just wanted something versatile that I could throw on the go, so on and so forth. That is this bag. But let me tell you, so I'm gonna move a little closer here. The second time I used this bag, the zipper pull fell off.
Like, how much money
do you have to spend to get quality? Like, if I'm spending, a mortgage payment on a bag, it better last. The things better not fall off. So I got my husband to grab his pliers. We wrapped the pliers in tissue to not hurt these pulls, and he had to squeeze it back on. Like, I was pissed. So there you go. This little zipper pull fell off. So Ryan managed to get it back on pretty securely. The reason I didn't take it back to the store is because, you know, it's been out of stock forever. And I felt that could be an easy fix for, you know, my husband, as opposed to, you know, traveling to Toronto or Montreal and, you know, having them send it back and waiting the 8 weeks for it to be repaired. And yeah, you know, so otherwise nothing else has gone wrong with this bag. I am pretty happy with it, you know, so far. There are a few, let me show you the pros of this bag. So I love that it's in monogram. I actually wanted to get the monogram empreinte leather in black. So it's all black and it's got the embossed LVs and little charm things all over it. It's just so flattering. So I thought, you know, I'll just go with this. It's also easy to pair with looks. It looks great with, you know, an all black super chic look to, you know, just casual, walking the dog, running to the grocery store. Other pros of this bag is you've got a lot of holes to choose from. See that? So it's very, very adjustable. So I'm always a little wary of bum bags. Everybody wears them across the chest. I have big boobs, so a lot of these bum bags stick out really far and look unflattering, but I feel like this one I wear pretty well. Okay, so the pros of this bag. It holds a lot because it's monogram. It looks great with everything. It's super flattering on dark skin because of the colorway. I love that it's just like an easy casual look that you could dress up or dress down. I'll admit, you know, if I'm going to a business meeting or something, this is not the first bag that I will pick, but I do love it. It's got like just an easy, cool, chic look that I really adore. The cons of this bag. I don't think it is worth the price. I just think Louis Vuitton's prices have gotten so absurd. I know that they're really going for exclusivity, but geez, I don't know how they price these things. You know, it's not even full leather. If I'm paying, you know, the equivalent of a mortgage payment, I would like it to be full leather. Something that is not necessarily a con, but you know, makes the bag a little hard to wear year-round is the vachetta leather. It's very, very susceptible to staining. If you get it wet, you're gonna see those little watermarks. And the fact that I bought the bag and the zipper pull fell off immediately is a huge con, a big red flag for me. That was really, really annoying. A little thing that I find annoying as well, but it's not too much of a big deal, is opening this flap every time, like lifting this flap every time to get into the bag is a bit irritating. You know, when you want to get in and out of it quickly, that just, I don't know. And that, you know, you always have to fold it down. The canvas is a bit stiff as well, so it's not the most elegant look when you're fidgeting with your bag, so on and so forth. But you know what? I do love it. Would I buy it again? Yeah, probably. I think it's a really, really great on-the-go bag that's just very like cool girl chic. I also love, one more pro, is the back pocket, this zippered pocket. I always throw my phone and my mask in there, and it's just really, really accessible. If you have your bag on, your bum bag on, it's just really easy to dig in there. Oh, that's where my masks are. And a $10 bill. It's gonna be a good day. I never wear it around the waist. I think that's just too, like, I don't know, like rich dad for me. I can't, but yeah. So if you want the bum bag, I think you should go for it. Sorry, I just thought I'd bring the camera a little closer. I feel like Louis Vuitton is suffering from some quality issues lately. I will admit, I am a Louis Vuitton girl. I absolutely love the brand. They've come out with some really fun styles that I would love myself. Like there's a few bags that I'd really like to add to my collection. I am a diehard monogram canvas fan. I just think, I don't care, people can call me basic. I don't care. I just think it is classic. It is classy. It stands the test of time, so on and so forth. But when I started buying Louis Vuitton in 2001, I felt like the canvas was better. I felt like the leathers were better, so on and so forth. These days, if I want to buy Louis Vuitton, it'll usually be monogram empreinte or like an all leather bag. If I'm gonna spend that much money, it's gotta be all leather. I don't agree with spending thousands of dollars on coated canvas. Anyways, I hope that you found this review helpful. I'm gonna do some more fashion videos and, you know, style up the designer accessories. Like I said, this bag's been sold out on the website forever. I've heard rumors that Louis Vuitton holds back a lot of their stock for the holiday season. So maybe there'll be an influx of all of these sold out items that everybody's clamoring for. So here's a great example. I've wanted the pochette clé, I think that's what this is called, for years. And, you know, I always order everything off the website because I don't have a Louis Vuitton in my city, because Ottawa's the most boring city on earth. And I was in Toronto for an event, and I just walked into the Louis Vuitton at Holt Renfrew, and I'm like, do you have one of these? I just showed her a picture on my phone. She's like, yeah, we have 5. And I was like, what? So I bought it on the spot. So if you do have a Louis Vuitton in your city, it does pay to walk into the store and ask an SA if they actually have what you want that's sold out on the website. Pro tip. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate this. Check out the description box for any information on LilySilk and any information on the bum bag as well. You can check out my Instagram if you want to see the bum bag styled up with various outfits. I like to wear it with athletic wear. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok. Check out my blog, styledomination.com. Join the Style Domination Relaxed Hair Society on Facebook as well. And if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Mwah. I really love your support. I love you guys, okay? Have a great day.